Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a flawless base routine. I have been a YouTube beauty influencer for about over 10 years, and I have tried so many products in so many different steps, and I finally found what works to make my skin look naturally glowy, smooth, flawless, and last throughout the day. So I'm so excited to show you guys my routine. It's very beginner friendly, so if you are new to makeup or if you wear makeup all the time, this is gonna be a super helpful video. And before we get into the video, I do want to let you guys know that a portion of the video is sponsored by Shopify. Thank you guys. If you want to see how I got this smooth, flawless base routine, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Good morning. I'm filming this in the morning, so I'm like just waking up. So I've already cleansed, exfoliated, I put a toner on my face, and now my skin is ready for the hydration. So before I get started with makeup, I always put these skincare steps in my routine. So my favorite moisturizer is from Monday Born. It's called the 7 Complete Moisturizer. It is so light, so like airy, and it makes your skin feel like baby smooth and plumpy. I just absolutely love it, and I wear it every morning. I put it on every night. Looks like this, and I just get it in my hands. It's so lightweight, and I apply it all over my face, and it goes so deep within the skin. You can feel the hydration happening. I kind of just massage my face because it is a little puffy in the morning. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you know my natural brows are barely there, so I'm trying to avoid them so they don't come off. But once that's really nice and in there, then I will take my SPF from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the lightweight wrinkle defense. It's SPF 30. It's really nice. Lasts a pretty good while. So I'll do that to protect my skin from the sun and, you know, all the aging that the sun does to your skin. That's done. I'll take my Dominique Blur Moisture Serum Primer. It's like, I go through these so fast because they're so good. But I think this is the last of it. This is the Blur and Moisture Primer that I created, and I created it because my skin is so insanely dry all the time, and I wanted this to be very lightweight. I wanted this to help my makeup adhere to my skin, so there's a little bit of a tackiness feeling after it dries down. But it also gives you this really nice deep hydration without it feeling like thick on your skin. I mix my Gloss Peach Skin Gloss. This is also from my brand Dominique, and I put this all over my face. So you guys know that I am a brand owner. This is my brand. My husband and I own the brand. We've had it for about 4 years. I always wanted to really create my own cosmetic brand since I was a young makeup artist, and because I wanted to help people feel and look beautiful from the outside and within. You notice that on all of our products we have motivational messaging on the mirror, on the packaging. It's everywhere. Our tagline for our brand is beauty inside and out, because I believe beauty truly starts from within. And I always wanted to give you like an affirmation of self-love. So I have that on all my products, and I've always wanted to create my brand, and I was finally able to do it. And we're able to sell our products online through Shopify. Actually, this video is sponsored by Shopify, so thanks to you guys. But I have been with them since 2018. So we built our brand, we were able to sell, and it's super easy to use. If you are out there, if any of you guys watching this video want to start a brand, or even like just start a little side hustle, hobby, whatever, where you create your own products and sell them, this is the easiest platform to do it on. No matter what your experience is, technical, business, whatever, you're gonna be able to do it on this platform. So easy. So basically Shopify offers an easy to use all-in-one commerce for anyone, no matter what your skill level is. If you want to start, grow, and manage a business, this is my go-to platform, and I know you guys would really enjoy it too if you're trying to start a brand and you want to sell your product. So Shopify lets you sell online, in person, and on all major social platforms. The easiest thing to use. I've tried it, I trust it, and it is the best. If you guys want to try it out, I'll have a link in my description. You can try it out free for 14 days. and explore all the tools and services you need to start, run, and grow your business. I wish all of you guys out there that are starting a business right now the best, the most success, and I want to help make it easy for you. So definitely check out Shopify. They've helped my business grow and help my husband and I learn how to run a business online. So I hope you guys check it out. So this doesn't actually make you look like a disco ball. It just gives you that really pretty, healthy glow from underneath your makeup, and it's like an important part of my routine so that I look like dewy and glowy without looking wet, sticky, or like disco ball-y. I think I massaged in skin gloss for a while. It looks really good and glowy, I don't know if you can tell, but while I was talking, I was just like massaging and my face feels so relaxed right now. I didn't do that on purpose. I just like was talking and we're massaging and it feels so good. This is my favorite foundation. This is from Nars. It's the Patagonia, shade Patagonia, because I haven't tanned and I haven't gotten much sun. It's giving a Vampire Diary, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foundation in the way that I do it so that it doesn't look cakey or creasy. Just apply it right on the outer part of my face, like the cheekbone, the jawline, all of this area. So I'll just go around the outer edge of my face, because that's really where I personally need the coverage. If I don't want it to look too heavy, but want all that coverage, I just do this. And I'll let the concealer do its magic, and the bronzer and the blush. So all the insides still need some work in the center. It's not gonna be overwhelmed with like foundation and concealer and then powder and then like all these layers. Less layers is better. That coverage is so amazing. I just love how flawless it is. This is the Rare Beauty and Power Boost. If you want the sticks to look more natural, I would suggest you guys use a brush. This is on like an everyday kind of basis. So just take your brush, and this is like a cream blush brush, and apply it with a brush, and it looks so much more airbrushed. It doesn't give you that harsh line to blend out at the end. And I just kind of like stipple it in the area that I need. It's gonna give me a little bit of depth in that area. It's gonna give me a little bit more definition without it being super harsh. I do it myself on TikTok and Reels, and I do it here on YouTube sometimes. But if you truly want that flawless look, use a brush. It's just so much more natural and like airbrush looking. And then same for the nose. I'm gonna take this little brush right here and just take it on the nose. What I like to do is use like a lighter shade of bronze first to kind of be my transition color on my face. Same with the eyes. You always start off with the lightest, or you can start off with the darkest, but you eventually end up to like a lighter gradient if you want that kind of celebrity style makeup. So I'm just taking that, and this is gonna be our backdrop. Also take it underneath the eye like this. Bronzer has coverage, and you never want like, well, I never really like the way it looks when it's super white all the way up to my eyelashes. I feel like that doesn't look very natural. So I always like a little bit of depth and definition right below there. So I'll take a little bit of bronzer there. You can see it kind of covered it up a little bit more, and it'll even it out later. Now I'm gonna contour my nose and face. I'm gonna use this shade right here from YSL. It's called B65 Bronze. I'm gonna do my nose first so you guys can see the difference. It's so much more natural to use a brush. So I'm going in like a little V on my nose. I change that up from time to time. I honestly change up my contours whenever I feel like changing it up. That's the beauty of makeup. You can really just be and create whoever you want, or you can just still help define like your natural features. But this is very subtle, but gives me just a little bit more definition without it being really deep. And then I'll just take this same brush, and if I want to contour the cheekbone, I will focus it right there. You can see it's a little deeper there, and it'll create more of a shadow rather than like a bronzy kind of glow. And this kind of shade is great for like this area to really make it look a little bit more chiseled and structured. Now I'm going to conceal and brighten my face. Two different colors of concealer. This one is from Tarte's The Glow Wand, and it's a little bit deeper. This is in the shade Dream. And I will just apply that on any area that I feel like I need a little bit more even tone. I'll apply a little bit here and just a little bit here. But then I'll go in with my lighter shade of concealer. This one's from Jouer. This is the high coverage concealer in Cream Cafe. I will brighten my under eyes with this. Beauty sponges are great for just soft all over finish. This also helps to even out your eyelids for eyeshadow. So I really like to put that down as a base. Okay, I'm excited because there's some new blushes from Huda Beauty, and this is the Perky Peach Cheek Tint, and it's not just like a flat peach color, it has like a little bit of gold flecks in it. I'm gonna put it on my hand just to warm it up a little bit, and I'm gonna apply it with the brush. And I'm applying that higher up on the eye, just so it could give me more of like a lifted look. If I have any leftover blush, I'll just apply it on my lips and it'll be the base to whatever I put on top of it. I'm gonna show you how I set my face without looking flat. I really love the GloWish by Huda Beauty. This is the Luminous Pressed Powder in Tan Light. And I just take a big fluffy brush and start at my neck. It has these little tiny shimmery pearls that you really can't see, and it reflects light in such a gorgeous way. It's not like an old school flat powder. So I take that all around my face, just lightly so that it stays in place. And for the bronzer, I'm using the GloWish by Huda Beauty. It's the Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder in Tan Light as well. So I'll just take a little bit on a brush and take it right on top of the cheekbone and right above the brow bone. You can also set with like a blush, but I'm not, just because I want that cream peachy blush to show. You can see it still has that natural glow to it and it doesn't look flat. For my under eyes, I really have been loving pink powders. So right now I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Brightening Pink for the under eye. And I'll just take my damp beauty sponge in there, and then I'll just press it into the under eye. And it gives the under eye like a really pretty brightening effect. And so now the under eyes are pressed in and they are not going anywhere. After I'm done setting with all the powder and everything, I'll go back in with my Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist. It just gives me that even more of a natural skin element. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay, after you spray your face, please do not touch it, because it's gonna move around. So just do not touch the face. Make sure that it's in place, let it dry, and you're gonna have a flawless, natural, glowy skin finish. Thank me later. All right, you guys, so this is my base routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I put on some lashes and some lips, and I'm ready to go. I know that this base will last all day. Pick my son up from school, take him to football, take him to whatever practice he needs to go to, be in the sun, and it will stay in place. My face is gonna look good in person and on camera all throughout the day, no matter what lighting. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. Let me know that you liked it. It helps me on this channel. If I helped you in any way, make sure to let me know in the comments below and tag me in your photos if you are recreating anything from my videos. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. If you haven't seen these two videos, make sure to check them out. They are waiting for you. And before I let you go, I just want to remind you that you are beautiful inside and out. Don't you ever forget that. The beauty on the inside counts the most. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.